You guys will be handcuffed for 24 hours.
Bro, chill.
Hey, all right. Oh my goodness. Oh Jesus.
You cheated on me 2 times.
Yeah.
It's the, oh my God. This.
Wait, I thought
Where you going,
you just
bro?
said that you want to ask me Eddie. Flip it up. This is hurting. Put your arm up.
My hand hurt. Chill.
Why are you walking
Slow
so
down,
slow?
bro. Chill.
Arm up.
You walking too fast.
This is not funny. I don't like it. Can you take it off now? Ricky, can you take it off now?
What would you do for this key? So look, my Cash App literally has $0 on it. When I open this app, the money is going to be there when I launch this app. Y'all, literally, open this app. Watch this. Literally, in my Cash App, bro. What's good, YouTube? Before we get in this video, I want to let everybody know that you are eligible for $750 on Cash App. It's literally the most easiest thing. So I literally do this every day with a different email, so I ain't even gotta leave the house. Like, me and my baby be chilling all day. Let me show y'all. Literally, the link is in my bio. So you click the link, it's gonna literally ask you, do you want $750? Yes. I'm gonna keep it. I want my money. I don't go shopping. Literally, it's literally this easy. It's literally this easy. Put in your email address. Literally, press continue. Press anything. Literally, you can literally press anything. It does not matter what you press. Boom. Yes, sir. We almost to the money. Complete the deals to get the reward. You have to do this part. This is the most crucial part in getting the money. Everybody keeps saying they don't know why the money is not coming up. This is what you have to do. The next step, you have to complete one deal. So boom. I'm going to continue. I'm going to download this app. So I'm going to start. Boom. Literally, y'all, when I download this app, the money is going to be in my Cash App. So look, my Cash App literally has $0 on it. $0. Literally. When I open this app, the money is going to be there when I launch this app. Y'all, literally, open this app. Watch this. Literally, in my Cash App, bro. Let's go! Alright, y'all. So, first of all, I'm gonna get copyrighted with that snap your fingers. Alright, y'all. So, I'm about to handcuff. Y'all had to go to the store because who have handcuffs just around the house? But I'm about to handcuff Chevy and Misty for 24 hours. And we're going to see how this go. I'm kind of scared because they might, I don't even know if they like each other like that. Yes, ma'am. Yeah, let me get them handcuffs so I can get freaky in the bed.
1604.
You use handcuffs? Oh, I don't.
I do use different things.
Oh, period. Alright, so I'm about to handcuff them for 24 hours. I'm nervous. Oh, thank you. What's your return policy?
Can't return those.
Really?
Yeah, really.
Why?
Because they're sexual items.
Okay. Alright, so I was trying to see if I could have bought these handcuffs back. Because who's gonna keep these handcuffs? Excuse me.
This one.
Thank you. Alright, so I'm about to hit them up. Let them know. I'm not gonna even tell them what I'm doing. I'm just like, come here. But let's see how I get their reaction.
That's fake. Oh, no.
I'm trying to sit between y'all.
Okay. More fucking shit.
I can see it.
It's alright, this just to get the handcuffs.
these?
Y'all better not lose these.
What kind of?
Wait, why you got handcuffs?
First of all, I need y'all to be quiet and mind your business.
Who's just gonna volunteer, bro?
Oh my god.
Thank you.
Bro, what are you doing, bro?
Let me see.
Are you trying to see if they fit?
Yeah, I'm trying to see if they like work type shit.
So, you take them home?
Yeah, we already got handcuffs.
But y'all need 2 pairs, so both of us can work, right?
So wait, hold on. Why you?
I'm gonna need y'all to stop questioning me. Please. Thank you.
That way.
Alright. Excuse me, can you get up?
I mean, they fit.
Wait, hold on. Let me see the keys though. We need the keys.
I'm gonna swallow the keys.
Bruh,
They
ain't
fit.
no way, bro.
Ricky, they fit. You can see that they fit. Clear as day.
Ain't
Alright.
no way, bro.
They fit now.
Okay.
They fit. So you can take them.
Come on, I'm hungry. Let's go get some food. Let's go get some food.
Bruh, they're fit.
I'm hungry.
I'm hungry.
I might have throw this key away if y'all don't come me to go get no food.
So how we supposed
You want me to help you get your purse? Here. Grab that. Grab this. There you go.
How is this supposed to work?
Bro, give me the keys though. At least let me hold the keys, bro.
No. I'm keeping the keys. Bro.
You think, hey, how you supposed to do stuff like this?
Hey, I ain't gonna lie. This look good. Alright, come on. Bro, okay, so you guys will be handcuffed for the entire day.
The entire day? How am I supposed to use the bathroom?
Figure it out.
Bro, I knew. Why the hell did I let you put handcuffs?
Alright, so you guys, I will be holding this key. I will be handcuffed for 24.
Mine.
Give me the key.
No.
Give me the.
I don't want to.
You guys will be handcuffed for 24 hours. So
She was doing this, bro.
No, she said, let's try it on. She tried it on. She then never took it off. Take it off.
I ain't gonna lie. I was just trying to see how y'all look with it. But alright, come on, let's go. Let's go get some food. So how y'all feel?
Man,
Y'all
I
connected?
I don't like
I
feeling
feel
trapped.
so trapped right now, bro. Go this way.
Oh,
Why we gotta go that way? I was
Bro,
just
bruh, come this way.
Okay,
we
bro.
gotta be a team right now, bro.
yeah. This
Bro.
is gonna let y'all know if y'all really like each other. If y'all gotta be able to communicate. Oh, y'all walking kind of
We
close.
can't even
Ricky.
split the pole. Now we can't split the pole for it.
I think this is a great idea. I'm hungry.
Wait, say you wanted to walk all the way around to come this way. We could have just went straight.
Yo, Ricky,
Just
bro.
come on.
Oh, Jesus.
Yo, bro.
Oh, my goodness.
Because obviously we stuck.
Bro, Ricky, bro.
Hey, guys, listen. It's you gotta communicate. You
We're
gotta.
Where we
communicating.
going? Where y'all trying to get food at, bro?
I don't know. This your mom, bro.
Yeah, where's the food for that?
I'm not really hungry right now, but I do want some.
He talking about you
Auntie
not
Annie.
hungry,
I want
bro.
some- I
I'm
want some-
hungry,
I
bro.
want some Auntie Annie.
First of all, you gotta get what Misty want because y'all are handcuffed together. So Misty, do you want
Bro, what do
any?
you want, bro?
No. I want something from the food
Right
court.
here, I want some Auntie Annie,
Bro, where's the food court,
bro. It's
bro?
upstairs.
It is.
Wait, I thought
Where you going,
I thought you
bro?
said that you want to ask me anything.
Bro, come on.
Bro. Ricky, this is not funny. I don't like it. Can you take it off now? Ricky, can you take it off now?
What would you do for this key? What would you do for the key?
I'm about to snatch you out your hair.
Would you be handcuffed to your ex for 24 hours? Ooh. That is a
Red ladder now.
Ah! You can't handcuff me to nobody, baby.
Bro, I feel so trapped.
No, I'm talking about your real ex.
Oh no, not the recent one though.
Oh, you wouldn't be handcuffed to him?
Would I be handcuffed to my ex?
That's exactly what she's doing right now. She tricked me into these handcuffs.
Yeah, so I handcuffed them. I got the key and they can't get out.
Y'all exes?
Yes. This nigga cheated on me
And
10
he
times.
cheated.
You think I want to be handcuffed to him?
He cheated 10 times on her.
10.
I should be here, bro. You don't want that. Bro,
I didn't ask
you know she was gonna do
I set him
I
up.
didn't know.
that,
No,
bro.
I didn't.
I know both of them, so I set him up.
You wouldn't have no dreads in
She
your
said she'd be beating
Ooh,
on me.
she
You gonna
said
listen to this?
Titi said she would have cut your jersey off.
You supposed to beat them down. Yeah.
Look at
Advantage, right?
Bro, chill.
Hey, all right, no violence, no violence, no violence. I told y'all we got rules. No violence.
So Rick.
Ooh, tear 'em up. Yeah. I gotta make sure. I gotta make sure this. You know.
You want to take the stairs or like which one?
No,
you
for
wanna
real.
take?
And now he giving you options.
Now he giving you. Period. Hey, she need to tell him what we going
All right,
on.
where we going?
Bro, you gonna let her do this to me, bro? Yo, bro. Yo, bro.
You better stay out of it.
He said you better stay out of it.
But can we take the stairs? Bro, you walking too fast, bro.
You're not walking fast enough.
Yo, the whole point of this is for you guys.
Yeah, my ex. That's fun. This is my ex. This is my ex, man. No, I'm not trying to do that, bro. Stop.
What you want to, Misty? What do you want to do?
Oh, I'm not doing that.
He wants you to ride on these. Come on. Where's the food court for real, bro? I'm hungry, bro.
Ricky, I'm not playing with you, bro. You always gonna do some funny shit, but like this shit funny, but this shit not.
Bro, my whole thing is y'all dumb for letting me put it on
Bro,
y'all.
I thought you said you was supposed to.
I really was trying to see if the keys work. I ain't gonna lie.
Bro, you going too fast.
Oh, Jesus.
Bro, chill.
Why you walking
Slow
so
down,
slow?
bro. Chill.
Why is we going slow for?
Bro, why can't y'all simply communicate,
Bro,
bro?
we're communicating. Can you lift it up? This is hurting. Put your arm up.
My hand hurting you in the front. You dragging me.
She dragging you?
It's over there.
Oh, wait.
Bro,
Oh,
this way, bro.
Okay, come on.
this is bad, bro.
Real bad.
Y'all cannot simply walk.
But this shit hurt, bro.
It do hurt. Can we take it off now?
No. I would take it off when y'all start getting along.
Okay, you
Oh, Jesus.
dragging me. Damn, bro. Come on.
That man said,
This shit no good, bro. Y'all got me fucked up, bro.
what's he gonna do for the key?
Prison, bro.
Oh, my-
Anything right now, bro.
You don't want to be handcuffed next to her?
She not listening, bro.
Yo, I think this a fail. Because they're arguing. One person want to go right, one person want to go left. He don't want to tell us what a food court at. He trying to make us get Annie's. Like, we is hungry. Excuse me, would you be handcuffed to your ex for 24 hours?
No.
They're exes.
You cheated on me 10 times.
Sorry, suppose.
Huh?
My boss is killing me.
I don't care. I could ask you a question.
I'm not trying to do this right now, bro.
She's talking about her boss for him.
Fast, bro. Slow down. Look. This foot. No, other foot. This foot. Go. Yeah. There you go.
Take off running, Misty. Oh my God. Oh my God. Bro, this girl is crazy. You don't know what a food court.
You got us walking.
Oh, it say food cafe.
It's right there.
Oh, okay.
Look. Yeah, you so quick.
Bro, they cannot get along. Oh, Missy, you can get your prom just from right
I'm
here.
not going in there.
Oh my God. These
Missy, go shopping. Yes, Misty, I can see you in this.
Is this cute? You think I look good in this?
Yes.
That's ugly. So you really gonna lie? That's ugly.
What? Yo, you dragging me, bro.
Let me try some shoes on.
Oh,
This fake bag.
bro, can we go get some
Look at this fake
food?
I don't
That's
even know
El
if it's
Feezy.
designer, but I know it's fake. Hey, come on.
Yo, I am so hungry. And they just don't want to come on. Can y'all hurry up? Y'all walking kind of slow. Oh, they got Raising Cane.
Really?
No.
You know what, Ricky?
You could go to Raising Cane with 2 handcuffs. How y'all gonna drive? How y'all gonna get in the car?
I'm not my phone and I'll be leaving twice messages. I can do you right now.
Yo, we about to get some food. So, I'll be back. Alright, so y'all handcuffed together. What do y'all want to eat? Y'all gotta pick the same thing. One option. One key.
Oh, hurry up.
No, we're not in line.
I don't know. She just put me handcuffs to this girl.
They exes. Would you be handcuffed to your ex for 24 hours? But, no, but, your ex? But he cheated on her.
10 pounds.
She like,
We were hot. So now you saying he wasn't getting me fun. You always saying that.
Now he flirting with that girl. How you gonna let him do that in front of
He's
you?
been fucking like 10 girls already, y'all.
Can we go to the car? Can we leave? I don't want to eat, bro. I don't want to.
Alright, y'all, so we got our food and stuff. How y'all finna get in the car, bro?
I ain't gonna lie. You gonna have to come to my side, and then you just gonna have to cross over.
Come on, let's see.
What about the food, bro?
I got the food, bro. Y'all just gotta figure it out, cause I'm not unhandcuffing y'all. On me, bro. Can you unlock the
Oh, you got a key we need. You got a key you need. What's up? What we doing?
unlock the car, bro?
Key for key?
What's up? Key for key?
No, y'all not getting a handcuff key, bro.
Key for key.
We could just stand here.
You said what?
On the sun, girl.
Nah, fair. Appreciate it, though.
Not him selling wheels at the
No,
moment.
bro. Yeah.
Come on, bro. It's high.
Key for key, nigga.
Alright. Soon as y'all get in the car, I got y'all. Come on.
No. She lying.
Bro, I want to get out the sun, bro.
I can't really see, so y'all gotta try to get in the car.
Alright.
Bro, come on, bro. Figure it out.
About the food, bro.
I'm gonna put the food in the car, bro. Y'all, how the fuck?
Wait. Don't go too fast. Go. One leg at a time. Alright, look. Right.
Alright,
Wait.
I think we're getting somewhere.
Ready?
We're getting somewhere.
Wait, too fast. Go ahead.
Y'all gotta move at the same time.
Okay, that wasn't that hard.
Oh, she hit. Wait.
You gotta put your hand back here so I can start the car. How you gonna get in, Ricky?
I got y'all, bro. Let me get y'all food. Okay. I'm proud of y'all.
It's teamwork.
Okay, period.
You take this shit off, bro. I'm getting mad. Like,
Take this shit off!
it's hot. It's hot.
Alright, okay. I got y'all.
Walking that bitch, keep a Glock in my garment. All my young niggas gon' shoot like the Hornet. Can't even hit in my out there informant. Nigga walk up, I'ma shoot with no warning. Ayy, I send a blitz and they swarming. I got a stick on me when I'm recording. I got a stick on me when I'm performing. Ayy, I'm sipping, drinking no six-pack. I really came up from a Nissan. These niggas playing, we really be with that. I took his whole nigga, come get your bitch back. I ran it up, niggas mad, they can't get back. I get a pack and I make it do jumping jacks. Niggas I don't even know tryna act bad. Punch me a fuck nigga out like a punching bag. Yeah, he throwing slangs, fuck nigga out here. All my stick make him bleed like a period. Bitch, I been sitting with this shit, they can't kill. That nigga cat who he thinking he fear. I drop a bad niggas coming to clear. Next nigga play that I'm taking his spirit. I ain't going back and forth, niggas know where I be at, yeah. Walking that bitch, keep a Glock in my garment. All my young niggas gon' shoot like the Hornet. Can't even hit in my out there informant. Nigga walk up, I'ma shoot with no warning. Ayy, I send a blitz and they swarming. I got a stick on me when I'm recording. I got a stick on me when I'm performing. Ayy, yeah, I got a whole lot of rest in my pocket. Fucking this bitch, got a wet like the tropics. You ain't having no rest, but stop it. Ayy, pushing weight, I need a dolly. I just took a nigga bitch to eat up at Follies. We got big blunts in rotation exotic. Fuck nigga placing a shot through his body. Keep that hoe out, I ain't trusting no thotty. Wiping no clean, that little nigga was snotty. My chopper kicking like Mr. Miyagi. Joe, he be playing with that, I just like hockey. Everything I do, these fuck niggas copy. I got a pistol for niggas who stocky. Might have to dismiss from 33 like Scotty. Yeah. Walking that bitch, keep a Glock in my